Everybody, welcome to Learn Fucking Math, our LFM. Today we are going to learn the concept of FOIL. Oh, the joyous fucking FOIL. Which FOIL, for any of you guys who don't know, stands for fucking O-I-L, fucking oil, or first, outside. That's a T. Outside. Inside. Damn it. Inside. And last. What specifically does this refer to? Well, if you haven't learned that yet, this here is in dealing with multiplying certain terms such as x plus 3, x minus 4, etc., where the F, or first, stands for multiplying the first of the two terms together. The outside refers to multiplying the outside terms of the two different parentheses together. The inside refers to multiplying the two inside parts of these terms together, and the last refers to the last two numbers of the parentheses, multiplying them together. So, to start you off on a little bit of technique here that seems to be very helpful for certain people. There are certain patterns that you can find when multiplying these two different terms to do your FOIL and whatnot. So if we have our parentheses right here, there's going to be a variation of terms that can go inside. We have plus plus, a la x plus 7 and x plus 3. Likewise, there's also going to be a minus minus, minus plus, plus minus. Now, when you multiply these together, of course, you got your first, which in this case would give you the x squared, because x times x is x squared. Then you have your outside, which is the x times 3. That's a positive 3, so we got 3x, or plus 3x. Then we have the inside, plus 7x. And then we have the last, 7 times 3 plus 21. You combine like terms, x squared plus 10x plus 21. What the fuck do you know? We got ourselves a little trinomial. Now, if you notice the pattern here, this was a plus plus or a plus plus. That means that what ends up being here is going to be a plus plus. So in our parentheses, if we have a plus plus, our trinomial is going to have a plus plus. In the parentheses, if we have a minus minus, the trinomial will have a minus plus. The way I like to remember it is if the signs are the same, the last sign will be positive. For the parentheses that are both minus plus or plus minus, the final term of the trinomial will be a negative. The first term will be either a positive or negative, depending on whether this number, whichever number, is larger. So if it's a positive number, a negative number, etc. So let's flip this over and make that confusing as fuck. Anyways, so to give some different kind of examples, magic bitches, we've got ourselves x plus 3 times x plus 5. We do our first, x squared, our outside, 5x, our inside, 3x, and our last, 15. Combine like terms, x squared plus 8x plus 15. An example of the negative x minus 4 times x minus 6. First, x squared, outside, negative 6x, inside, negative 4x, and last, negative 4 times a negative 6 is a positive 24. Combine like terms just like this little fucker right here that we did, and you get yourself an x squared minus 10x plus 24. Holy shit, we're moving along here. Parentheses, x plus 3 times x minus 7. That's a shitty 7, but I don't care. First, x squared outside, negative 7x inside, positive 3x last, negative 21, because a positive times a negative is a negative. Combine like terms, we get x squared. Now, negative 7x plus 3x gives us negative 4x minus 21. And last but not least, x plus 8 times x minus 2. You get the gist. X squared for the first, negative 2x for the outside, plus 8x for the inside, minus 16. We combine like terms, x squared plus 6x minus 16. These are all the different types of trinomials you will have, and boom, just like that, y'all have fucking learned how to FOIL. Peace.